In today's video, I'm going to show you how to vignette in Lightroom using the desktop version, and I'll keep it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. A vignette is a great way to draw attention to your subject by darkening the edges of your photo, or in some cases, creating a lighter look for a creative effect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Desktop and choose the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, go over to the Edit panel. This is where all of your main adjustments live, and the vignette controls are inside the Effects section. Scroll down until you find Effects, then open it up. Here you'll see the Vignette slider, and this is the fastest way to add the effect. If you move the slider to the left, you'll darken the corners of the image. This is the classic vignette look, and works really well for portraits, products, and moody edits. If you move the slider to the right, you can create a lighter vignette, which can give your image a softer or more airy appearance. After you set the overall amount, the next step is to fine-tune the vignette so it looks natural. Start with the Midpoint slider. Midpoint controls how far the vignette reaches into the image, so if you want the darkening to stay closer to the edges, adjust this carefully. Next is Roundness. This changes the shape of the vignette. A more rounded shape can help the effect feel more centered, while a different shape can give your photo a slightly more customized look. Then move to Feather. Feather controls how soft the transition is between the vignette and the rest of the image. For a smooth and professional result, keep Feather high so the edges blend gradually instead of looking harsh or obvious. As you adjust each setting, zoom out and check the full image so you can see how the subject stands out. The goal is to enhance the photo, not overpower it. A subtle vignette is usually better than a strong one, especially if you want your edit to look clean and modern. If the photo starts to feel too heavy or too artificial, just reduce the amount a little and increase the feather for a softer finish. You can also use this same technique across different types of photos, like landscapes, portraits, and even social media content, depending on the style you want. Once you're happy with the look, compare the before and after to make sure the vignette improves the composition. And that's it. You now know how to add a vignette in Lightroom Desktop using the Effect panel. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your photos feel more polished and focused. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials just like this one.